The two horns on the Mercedes W204 are located just behind the bumper cover and below the actual bumper, as indicated by the red arrows. While you can undo the 4 push-pull pins on the fender liner and bend it back out of the way, you're going to be working in a crowded area. I recommend removing the front section of the wheel well liners. Please see the link at the end of this video for our wheel well liner removal step-by-step instructions. This photo illustrates the location of both horns with the bumper guard removed, indicated by the red arrows. On some newer models, you will end up having to remove the bumper cover. If that is the case, please follow the link at the end of this video for detailed instructions on how to perform that task. On the left side, drain the windshield washer reservoir. Loosen it and move it off to the side with the line still attached, red arrow. Please see the link at the end of this video for our article on windshield washer reservoir and additional instructions. This photo illustrates the horn and where it mounts behind the bumper, red arrow. One of the decelerometers for the airbag system is located on the back of the bumper, just above the horn. It should have a yellow connection on it. Do not touch this sensor or the connector. If you just leave it alone, everything will be fine and you will not have any airbag error codes or lights. Use a small flathead screwdriver and release the clip on the wiring connection. Squeeze the clip and pull it straight back and off, as indicated by the red arrow. Next, use a 10mm socket and remove the single bolt that attaches the horn and arm to the back of the bumper, yellow arrow. Installation is the reverse of removal. The horns are designed to only fit one side, with the open trumpet of the horn facing the ground. If you somehow manage to install them wrong, the trumpet will be facing upwards towards the engine and the passenger compartment, so make sure to get it right. Thanks for watching. Click here to view the original article along with hundreds of other DIY content for your car.